welcome back to the channel. This is John with AP3 Paint Protection. We've got a really cool project in the shop today. This is an Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This beautiful gray metallic paint is going to get fully protected with paint protection film. Now, what paint protection film normally does is it protects the car from rock chips, scratches, things like that. And that's exactly what we're doing here, but we're not doing any paint protection film. We are doing XPEL Stealth. And this is going to change the entire look of the car, changing it from a glossy finish to a satin finish. I think you'll enjoy the process. Let's get started. Alright guys, we're finished with our project here with the Aston Martin DBS Superleggera. This thing looks phenomenal. It's undergone a full transformation with the XPEL Stealth paint protection film. We left the glossy pieces glossy from the carbon fiber, and we applied XPEL Stealth on all the painted panels. So it has this beautiful hybrid look where everything is satin for the main paint and everything is glossy for the carbon. We think the client's going to love it. We think we knocked this one out of the park. Let's hope they think the same. Thank you so much for watching. We loved working on this project. If you want to see more, click subscribe, follow us, comment on the page, and we'll see you on the next one.